अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, हाज़िर आहियां मां पंहिंजे चैनल सरतालिब में नए सबक सां गॾु। उम्मीद सभु खैर सां हो। अचो त बग़ैर कंहिं देरि जे नओं सबक शुरू कयूं।
Dialogues in future simple and indefinite tense. Where will you spend your vacation? I will spend my vacation at my village. How will you spend your vacation? I will do many things, such as I will meet my relatives and old friends. I'll study during the vacation as well. I'll serve my parents. I'll work hard to learn English. I'll memorize new words every day. I'll write new sentences every day. I'll speak English all the time. I'll speak English with everyone. I'll speak English everywhere. I'll read English newspaper daily. I'll offer prayer 5 times a day. I'll help the poor and needy people. I'll preach Islam. I'll do homework. I'll go to bed early. I'll get up early in the morning. I'll speak the truth always. I won't tell a lie. I won't waste my precious time. I won't adopt bad company. I won't disobey my parents. I won't commit crimes. I won't commit bad deeds. I won't commit sins. I won't hurt anyone. I won't tease anybody. I won't disturb anyone or anybody. I won't hate anyone. I won't discourage anyone. I won't fight with or against anyone. I won't beat anybody. I won't punish anyone. I won't scold anyone. I won't misguide anyone. I won't oppress anyone. I won't commit cruelties upon anybody. I won't commit atrocities upon anyone. I won't commit corruption. I won't embezzle rights of anybody. I won't take bribe. I won't give bribe. I won't take interest. I won't give interest. I won't force anybody or anyone to do anything. I won't compel anybody to do anything. I will act upon every injunction of Islam. I will act upon every sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. I'll do my work myself. I'll lead my life according to Islam. I'll follow the life of the last Prophet ﷺ, peace be upon him. I'll struggle to achieve my target. I won't lose courage. I won't lose heart. I won't give up. I'll try to succeed. I'll try again and again. I'll keep on trying till I succeed or die. I will fight for my rights. I'll fight for your rights. I'll fight for my parents' rights. I'll fight for the rights of my parents. I'll fight for the rights of my friends. I'll fight for the rights of my neighbors. I'll fight for the rights of the poor. I'll fight for the rights of the orphans. I'll fight for my nation and the country. I'll lay down my life for my dear homeland. I'll sacrifice everything for my country. I will try to improve the standard of education. I'll eradicate corruption from the country. I'll try to restore law and order in the city. I'll establish peace in the country. I'll arrest all thieves and dacoits. I'll abide by the law. I'll take strict action against the criminals, terrorists, and corrupt people. In short, I'll try to do every positive thing and take measures to stop every negative thing.
जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे सबक समझ में अची वियो आहे त पोइ देरि न करियो, चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब करियो ऐं वधि खां वधि शेयर करियो त जीअं ॿिया फ़ाइदो वठी सघनि। महिरबानी।